Welcome back to my building show. We only need a Sharpie because we want to make lines for separate areas to color. Area by area. I've always wanted to do a pattern of splotches of color, and I've always wanted to do a pixelated pattern. So let's do eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Eeny, meeny, miny. How about pixelated on this side and splotches on this side? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a tiger by its tail. If you'd rather let it go, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. We're doing splotches. This one. This one is brand new. Push it. Push. Ooh, look at that perfect red. We're first going to make the shape of the splotches, and then we're going to color it in. So for that, we're going to be needing black. Boom! So for the coloring in, we're going to be using the thick one, and for the drawing, we're going to use the black.